We're going to begin by going to mail-tester.com. When you get there, you'll be given an email address like this. This will be different each time you visit the site, so this will be different for you as it is for me at the moment. What you need to do is copy that email address, then go back. I'm using MailerLite, but it doesn't matter whichever one you use. You need to send a test email, and you need to send it to the address you have just copied from mailtester.com. Okay, so I'm now going to click send. Then you need to return to MailTester and then click the check your score button. What it's now doing is it's checking its own inbox to see when that email from MailerLite arrives. Takes a few seconds. And there we are. It'll give you a score. It'll then tell you, in my case, that I'm ready to go. I've got a 9.5 out of 10. Now, you might want to use this opportunity to just check for any things that are not giving you the best response. So here we've got you're not fully authenticated. Now, this might be because this is a test email, it's not going. My own domain is authenticated, so that may or may not apply. And also, there's one issue here about formatting. I haven't put an, where are we? I haven't put an alt tag into one of my images, which is something I could very easily fix. But overall, I've got 9.5 out of 10, which means that I'm ready to go. And that's it.